Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, we will solve this problem using Java. I have begun a playlist where I will upload problem solutions using Java. You can adopt these solutions to your preferred programming language. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, what is the problem? So we have two strings. String A common fruit name, and also string B appear to be anagram of apple with rearranged letters. We need to determine if these two strings contain the same character and or the permutation of each other. Now how we can solve it in Java? You can use your own preferred language. We will use this without any complex data structure or algorithms. So what will be our strategy? So we will create a string. The name will be results, where we store or match characters. We will use two nested loops to compare character between string A and string B. And also we will use an array of indexes to avoid reusing the same character. Now how we can do that? Let's get started. First of all, we will declare a string, an empty string. So we'll string and name will be results and it will be an empty string. After this, we need an array. We will store our searched keys. For example, the key is A and we just found that A at index 0. We need to store that index in that array. So we will not reuse that index and we will just continue the loop and skip that index. Now for that we need an array. I will use array list and the type will be integer and name will be indexes equal to new array list. After this, we need two for loop. The first for loop will be iterate through the string A. For that, we will say for int and we declare I for it. I is less than. So this is for string A. We will say a dot length and then I plus plus. After this, we need an inner loop for string B. For that, we will say for int j is equal to 0. So this is for string B. We will say b dot length and then j plus plus. After this, first of all, we will check if indexes has value. For example, if we found A at index 0, so this is j is equal to 0. We need to put it into index, but first we will check if indexes is empty and no values. For that, we will say if indexes dot is empty. So if it is empty, we will do nothing. But if it is not empty, I will put a not operator here and also indexes dot contains. If it contains j, what we need to do is to skip that value. So we'll say to skip that index of string B. So we will avoid reuse of that indexes. After this, we need to match character of string A with string B. So for that, I will say if, let me make it like this, if A dot char it. So we use I for string A. So we will say I double is equal to, we'll say b dot char it, and for b we use j, we'll pass j. If it is match, we need to update our result. So we'll say results is equal to results, then plus b dot char it j. We also need to update our indexes. So we will say indexes dot add and we will pass j. So at another iteration, we will skip that index. After this, we need to print out, we will say south and we will print out our results, then plus, I will make some spaces here and then plus, so we will check out at what index we got our key or our value. We will pass it j. After this, we need to break it out to save our loop and another iteration will be occur. Now let's run it. So in here, you can see that we found A and B at index 0. We found P at index B at 2 and we found another P at 4. If we do not implement the array concept or the indexes concept of the array, then this another P will also be an index 2. So we just avoid the reuse of character or indexes through this simple line of array. After this, L is index 1 and E is index 3 and we solve the problem. So now our program is working fine. We need to determine if A is an anagram of B. For that, we need to at the end, we will say if A dot equals results, then we will say dot A is anagram of B. If it is not, else, so make it like this. A is not anagram of B. So let's run it again. Make it like this. So here you can see the problem is working. At the end it says A is the anagram of B, and we solve our problems. If you have any question, comment down below. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.